Hi, Zach Petros here from MarineMax Jacksonville in Jacksonville Beach, and I'm standing next to a brand new Scout 215 XSF. This particular boat is dressed in black. Has a number of options that are kind of special to this boat. One of the most notable options is the fiberglass hardtop. We don't normally see that on this boat. We've got full powder coating on the hardtop, integrated LED spreaders front and rear. Also, this boat has a Garmin already pre-rigged on it. Another big notable option on this boat is the fact that it's got the brand new Mercury V6 175. Digital throttle and shift, but this motor is a powerhouse. Typically we rig these boats with 150 or 200 Yamahas. We chose to do the 175 Mercury, which is new for us. This boat's more fuel efficient, more powerful, and smoother to operate with the digital shifting than any other 215 XSF we've gotten in before. Feel free to come on down, take a look, and sea trial this brand new Scout 215 XSF.